Automatic transmission oil changer. Operating procedure. First step, connect the car transmission with the tube of the machine put on the power. Disassemble the transmission and radiator tube. Connect the disassembled hose to the metal hose with the appropriate fittings. Connect the two oil pipes of the machine. There is no need to consider the direction of oil flow in and out. Turn on the machine. Enter the function menu. Function menu display. The second step, equivalent exchange. Transmission old and new oil equal exchange. Add new transmission fluid. Setting the oil quantity. Start the engine. Running oil exchange. End of equal exchange. Turn off the engine. The third step, fill up with new oil. Check the amount of transmission oil after the oil change, and use this function to add a supplement when the oil is less. Select the Fill New Oil function. Set exchange capacity. Run refill with new oil. Fourth part, recovery of used oil. Check the amount of transmission oil after oil change, and use this function to reduce if there is too much oil. Start the car engine. Select the Recycle Old Oil function. Set the amount of recycling. Begin to recycle old oil. When the recovery is over, turn off the car engine. The fifth step, empty the oil drums. After oil change, discharge the new and old oil inside the machine in time. Maintain the stability of the machine weight. Drain the old tank and open the drain valve. Select the empty tank function. Select Equipment Old Fuel Tank. Click OK to start emptying. Empty the new tank. Same procedure. Step 6. Circular cleaning function. Start the car engine. Select the circular cleaning function. Set cleaning time. When cleaning is complete, turn off the car engine. Note, the cleaning function should be used before the equivalent exchange function. And the cleaning function cannot be used after the completion of the same amount of oil change, which will affect the quality of the oil. Step 7. Smart 1 Click to 0. Use this function when the oil barrel display is inaccurate. Check that the oil drum is empty. Select the Return to 0 function. Replace the oil filter in the cabinet. Open the rear cover of the cabinet to replace it. 15-20 cars change one oil filter. When we replace automobile transmission oil, we generally use the equal amount exchange function, and the other functions are auxiliary functions.